Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Dominic Fonte Associates. I'd like to share with you this new listing I have at 1512 Gatehouse Street, Northeast Canton, Ohio, which is in the Plain School District. Now, this is over 1,570 square feet. It was built about 3.5 years ago, so it's like brand new, all open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Well, one of the bedrooms have French doors on, so it could be a hobby room, flex space, or an office. Full unfinished basement, lots of storage. There is a 3-season patio. You can sit out there in the winter too because it is covered, but lovely, beautiful views, nice private location right in Lexington's Farms. What I like about it is you have access to the walking trail, Stark Parks, and it's close to Travasi and all the amenities that you'd be interested in, plus shopping, drugstores. So this is a great little location. It's like new, natural light, open floor plan, ready to be viewed. Take a look at it. If you'd like to see it or you'd like to know more information, reach out to me or my team at 330-418-1535. Thank you.